Meaning of goings-on.
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 Goings-on. The phrase goings-on refers to events or activities, especially those that are of a secretive or scandalous nature. It can also be used to describe the general state of affairs or the current situation in a particular place or community. This term is often employed when discussing gossip or rumors about people's behavior or actions that are not widely known or discussed publicly. The use of goings-on suggests a certain level of intrigue or mystery, creating an air of speculation and suspense around the events being discussed.